This is chapter 7. We are going to simplify each expression by completing using our properties of an exponent. Make sure your answers always have positive exponents. Number 1 deals with negative exponents and the zero product property. So the first one, we have an x to the negative 10. Please understand that the property of the negative exponent states that x to any negative exponent is the same thing as 1 over x. Okay, that means you can move it down of this fraction bar. All right, so for the first one, we can see it's over 1, so we can bring it down. This becomes 1 over x to the positive 10 now. Notice everything here for b is over 1, so we could bring everything else down here. So it becomes 1 over 8y to the 20th power. Everything came down with it, becoming a positive 1 exponent. And lastly, c, anything to the 0 power will always be 1. So 3x squared to the 0 power would always be equal to 1. There you go.